Hello cello players, I just wanted to show you the fingering for this minor hand shape piece. As you can see right here, there's some markings for when you're needing to move. We normally in first position play this note with a fourth finger, but in order to get to this note, which is down here, as you can see it's a big space above that fourth finger tape, we need to move our hand a little early. So this has two parts. One is how we do the scalar part right here and how we work into this. The other part is when we do it in thirds, when we skip and then step and skip and then step. You can see that here we use first finger for this note, but over here we got to use second because we have to be ready for this C sharp. So we're going to do the scale part first, and in order to get ready for this we need to practice shifting our hand. So shifting means that everything moves at the same time, including our thumb. So when we're shifting, we're moving our first finger from the first finger tape to the fourth finger tape, but you'll notice that my thumb moves along with the process, okay? So when we move, we're going to go fourth finger, and first finger up. So the shifting for this section right here, is we're going to play B with first finger, C sharp with third finger, take a second, move our first finger so that it's playing first finger on the fourth finger tape. You'll notice that my thumb came along for the ride. It wasn't left behind. So up here, first finger on D, third finger on E. So that scale together looks like this. At this point, I want you to pause the video and practice just making that motion. In fact, going from third finger C sharp to first finger D, back and forth. Pause the video and do that back and forth. I'm assuming you have done this, and now we're unpaused. Now we're going to talk about this next section here, which is the thirds, okay? And I'm just going to start with the shifting spot right here. So in order to be in position, so we don't have to go first finger, third finger, third finger, we can all do this in position if we just change our shifting just a little bit. So this section right here looks like this. So now I did that with only having to shift one time. I'll show you again. We're in first position, B, then I move my hand up so second finger is on the D, first finger is now on C sharp, and under my fourth finger without moving is that E. This whole thirds part starting all the way from here sounds like this. Now I do the shift. So what I want you to practice now, I want you to pause the video and I want you to practice going between the B and the D with the shift. So go, then start back, and then add the C sharp and E. Make sure the thumb is making the move with you, okay? So pause the video, B, D, then add C sharp, E. All right, and that's it, and we'll do the rest of it together.